Hi, my name is Lars Soreide. I'm a securities lawyer. I represent investors nationwide against brokers and brokerage firms and other financial advisors that sold unsuitable investments. And one investment I want to talk about is a DST, or a Delaware Statutory Trust. A Delaware Statutory Trust is a way to purchase fractional ownership in properties that are 1031 qualified. And we've been getting a lot of phone calls from people who have purchased DSTs that are now in bankruptcy or have suspended distributions. Most notably, the Inspired healthcare capital companies and the 33 to 35 various DSTs they sold in their nursing homes. Those are now in Chapter 11 bankruptcy, and a lot of investors are shocked because they were told that they were safe and secure, but what they weren't told is that when you include acquisition costs, asset management costs, disposition fees, broker commissions, which can be over 7%, the total cost of actually purchasing the DST can be between 15 to 18% of the property value. So it's not a surprise to me that the operating costs of some DSTs, like the Inspired DSTs, far exceed their distributions, because in some instances they're kind of designed that way. So given the fractional ownership interest you maintain, the liquidity is a huge challenge, and you can't exit these investments because there's no secondary market that exists. So they're not freely tradable like securities. So given DSTs, tax structures, failed DSTs, they're prohibited from renegotiating existing loans or seeking new financing or taking on new debt after closing, given they must have a predefined loan term, and that can't be renegotiated or refinanced until they're in bankruptcy. So usually none of this is ever disclosed to the investors, and a lot of investors who purchase DSTs are now having to file lawsuits against their financial advisors for giving them unsuitable advice or making misrepresentations about the safety and security of DSTs, or under disclosure or non-disclosure of material facts that may have changed their decision to go into a DST versus other more suitable investments. So if you find yourself in a DST, such as any of the Inspired products, we'd be happy to offer you a free consultation to see if you have a viable case against a broker or brokerage firm that may have sold that. So give us a call at 888-760-6552, 888-760-6552, or fill out a form on securitieslawyer.com. Thanks.